put a message box down here. Message box saved our data will save the filter title filter criteria saved, then VB info title is save the filter. Okay, then we put we put a query for our filter combo, and we remember filter combo dot requery, or you can put me dot filter combo dot requery. Okay. What? So yes, this is the code what we want. So let us debug to see if we have error. No, we have no. So in the clear button now, we are going to click the clear button, and the clear button will have the following. Okay, we'll have the filter me dot filter combo is equal to 0. Okay, no, is equal to 0. Why is equal to 0? Because the me dot record source of the record source equals to inventory T. So me dot filter combo is equal to 0, then me dot source is equal to inventory T. Okay, we are clear now. Let us go and check it. Okay, let us go and check it. Whoop. So now we have this table, we have this form. Okay, when we click this here, we have this one. So when I click description is what? It needs to respond. It doesn't respond. Why doesn't respond? After update. So I have something here. So here now on load. So this one is criteria and this one is filter button. On load to this form must be disabled. This one must be disabled. Then on load, I can unload here. On load we have disable this me dot filter button dot visible equals to false. Then we have me dot criteria dot visible equals to false. So you have this one. Okay, save. Okay, here now check this one. So now you have this one. So and this must be cleared. This one must be cleared, and the combo box is equal to clear. Yes, me dot. Let's go here. Me dot filter combo is equal to empty string. Okay, that's good. Then when we unload, we got this one. Then when we click here and update here, then this one will appear. Okay, like this one. I want this one. Okay, so when I click this one, we get something exactly what we want. Then when I click the description is, then I click here maybe Panado. then I click filter. Panadol is absent. So you see the criteria. When I click the description include and I click, I put Pana, then I filter here. Oh no, something is else here. And filter. Oh no, on click filter, we have something here on click filter. So we have forgotten to put some code here on filter. On filter we put this code here. We put this private sub, this one, copy filter button here, on click, then you paste here, apply filtering. Okay, then let's go and check here now. Let me select description is and put Panadol. Then I click filter, then I got Panadols. But when I write pan, when I click filter, I got nothing, because this is the I select the criteria description is, so I know what I'm going to find. But when I select the name includes and I put Pana, so I don't know what exactly the full name of that item, but I know some string of that item, so I put the related item string to my criteria. Then I click filter, then I got the Panadol here related to this one. So when I delete and I put P, then I got many items with the letter P. Okay, this is not what we want. Okay, now when we go to clear, we put this will be cleared. So now we are going to check for this save. So this save we have coded for save filters, so as we can simplify our work. So as maybe I want to, maybe this description is maybe Panadol. Okay, Panadol. So I don't want to come, I don't want later to come and search for this Panadol. So I want to save this Panadol as my filter. So I come here to filter, then I click save. Then if you want to enter the name of the filter, so I put this as Panadol. I put Panadol, then I click OK. Then the save filter, the filter cleared, saved. So when I come here, when I clear, then I come here, I found the Panadol here down. When I click this one, then I got the what the hell, I don't see something I have misspelled or not. Panadol. Okay, this one is clear, right? Panadol. Okay, I'll figure it out, but not necessarily. Let me continue. Don't waste our time here. So now I want to put what. So we have this form here. This purchase order. No, inventory. This one. So I want, when I double click here, I will open that form. Okay, so here on double click, on double click here. Okay, then I come and type here do cmd dot open form. What form? It is food inventory list F. Inventory list F. Yes, sir. Like this one. So when I come here and double click here, I have this one, so I can search something here and I got this one. Then when I click this one, I want this one to be open in this form. Do you understand? So after clicking this one, I want this form. When I click this one, deep relief gel, then tap, then it will be put, the data will be open in this form here. Okay, so let me go and do that. So I'll come here and design view, then on item code, I double click here on item code, then I got this one table here, code if is null. What is null? Item code, this one, item code, then exit sub. Oh wait, what? Exit sub, then if not null, do cmd dot open form, what form? Your form is inventory. Remove this bracket. Inventory. What criteria? Our criteria is item code equals to item code. This is clear now. Item code is equal to code me.item code. Me can put me.item code here, but let us leave as it is. So now we have that one, so let us go and check it here now. Okay, save, close, then inventory F, then we are here now. Double click, we have to search name includes maybe oil and also intimate. Then I click this one, pop up, then the lip gel will open here. Okay, then double click. I want to save the criteria. Maybe the criteria I want to save the criteria is the criteria. Save the criteria. Oh no, I put the criteria here. Maybe nmax solution. Save the criteria name. Maybe let me filter first. I have no nmax solution. This one, filter this one. So I save this script filter. Save filter is enema. Then okay. Double click. Go here. Enema, yes, this one. So you must fetch first, then you save the filter, then you put the name that you will correspond to what you want to find, like this one. Okay, enema. Okay, I got this one, enema. This one, then I set it anuso or intimate, then I go to the deep relief gel. So this is my title, not a drag. This is a title, a criteria for myself. So I know myself when I type this one, the result will be this one. Okay, so now when I double click here, deep relief gel, tap, it will open to our form here now. So we can delete, we can check, we can edit this. Okay, then when we want again to we come here and name includes, we set this panel panel. Then we got this with the panel. Then we click lower molecular weight, then double click this one, we get the lower molecular weight. Then we can put a barcode. Okay, a barcode. We can put in this one. We can put quantity here, injection, buying price. We can edit price, this one. Okay, wholesale price, quantity on hand, and expiry date, this one. Then I will save. Whoop. Done. Okay, so we have built a strong function here to our inventory table. Thanks for watching. My name is VBA. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. The next tutorial we are going to deal with this one. We want something else here to this list, inventory list F. So we want, when we are here, we want to have something else here. When we type something, then the filter will be will be filtered automatically as you type. So now we are going to start to dip into functions and the modules. Thanks for watching. Just an ad. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. This is VBA. Ciao.